In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert video files from one format to another format. It'll work with almost any video format. Now, there are several things you can do here. You convert your files from either a file on your desktop or from a URL. It can only be up to 100 megabytes. If you want more, you have to use the paid service. Here, this is where you would download your videos after you're done. And you see this doesn't really do anything right now because we haven't got anything to download. Here you have send files. And this is so you can send large files through the email. You know you can't attach a very large video file into an email, so this will let you attach the file here and mail it from here. And you can also go premium here. It gives you an inbox and more space that you can manage your files with. Okay, and then of course manage files is the files that you have in your box or that you've converted here. Okay, so let's go to convert files. First of all, you can choose your file from a URL or you can choose the file from your computer. I'm going to get one from my computer here, so I'll click choose file. Okay, now I'm just going to grab this one here. Now, I did this to just show you that if your file is over 100 megabytes, which this one is, you need to upgrade your options. Okay, so you're going to need to upgrade to the paid version. Okay, so I can't use that one, so I'm going to choose a smaller file. So keep in mind it's got to be under 100 megabytes. Okay, so we'll choose a smaller file. Okay, so you see this one is 60.1 megabytes, so you're not going to have any problem with the free version here. Okay, so what we do now is what do we want to convert to, and you'll see that we have a number of them here: 3GP, 3G2, AAC, AC3, FLAC, FLP, GIF, MP3, MOV, MP4, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so there's many different things you can do here. You also have video presets, and these will be for different phones. Okay, so let's just make it into, let's say, an MP4. Now, since we're using the free version, we have to give our email address to, and it'll email us a link. Okay, and then once we've done that, convert. By the way, you can add more files. As you see down here, this is like a queue. Okay, so let's convert. And you'll see here it's converting. So it's going to go ahead and convert that for us, and then we'll get an email with a link that we can download it. Okay, so it's just finishing up. Okay, and there our file upload is complete. Okay, so then you can look here and see if you want to go with the upgraded version. Well, let's go over to the email account now. Okay, and as you see, here's a Zamzar conversion, and there's a converted file in there. So let's open the email. Here's the link down here. So we can just click on that and download. Okay, so here it is. We'll download. Okay, and then as you see down on the left here, it's coming down for us. Okay, so that's how easy it is to use Zamzar to convert your video files.